Welcome back to Life Hacks. Today I am sharing 5 incredible Samsung phone features that will blow your mind. Let's dive in. Number 1. Sharing Wi-Fi with ease. Ever had guests ask you for Wi-Fi password but don't want to share your password? Here's a simple solution. Go to your Wi-Fi settings. Tap the QR code option at the bottom. Enter your phone's PIN to generate the QR code. Now, guests can scan the code with their phone's camera and connect instantly. You can even save the QR code as an image to share later. No more awkward password sharing. Number 2. Hidden calculator tools. Most people use the calculator for basic maths, but did you know it has a more powerful features? Tap the ruler icon to access the unit converter, convert length, temperature, weight, and mass, and more. Need to split a bill? Use the tip calculator. Enter the amount, select the number of people, and choose the tip percentage. It calculates everything, including how much each person owes. Number 3. Muting with gestures. Here's a cool way to mute call or alarms on your Samsung device. Go to Settings and go to Advanced Features and tap on Motion and Gestures. Now you need to enable mute with gestures. Now simply place your hand over the phone or flip it to silence any call or alarm. Perfect for early morning. Number 4. Keep your phone smooth with auto optimization. To keep your phone running like new, go to Settings, tap Device Care, tap Auto Optimization. Enable auto restart twice a week at a time when you are asleep, like 3 a.m. in the morning. This clears memory and improves performance automatically. Number 5. Take a selfie without touching your phone. Go to Camera, tap Setting icon in the top left corner, scroll it down, tap Shooting Methods. Now turn on Show Palm. This feature enables you to take a nice selfie without having to struggle with your fingers, as you can see in this video. These 5 features make life easier and your phone even smarter. Try them out and let me know your favorite in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Life Hacks for more awesome tips. See you next time.